All right, so we finally come to the section where we're building our bookability. So by now, I hope you have your headshots. I hope you know what your type is, what kind of role you want to go for, what kind of roles other folks have told you that you would be perfect for. So now this is a time for us to create that bookability sheet. You may hear other folks refer to it as a castability sheet. Bookability just kind of says, hey, listen, book me. These are the roles that I want to go for. All right. So bookability, castability, whichever is far more fun for you to say, they both pretty much mean the same thing. We want you to get the job. This bookability or this castability sheet will do exactly that. It will just kind of give like a little nudge to the casting director that these are the roles that you have been told that you can play, and these are the roles that you want to go after, right? So we're kind of taking casting director's hand and we're guiding them, right? Now we're approaching it, we're appearing more as a partner who is there to solve a problem, right? Filling in the role. And hey, you're the problem solver, ta-da! And that's how you do that through this bookability sheet. All right, so let us get started. I will let you know, I have a pre-built template for you already, but again, you can play around with it. You can build your own. I just want to show you the foundation, the fundamentals of how to build your own. So if you feel a little frisky, you want to be the designer, you want to build your own, please, by all means, go ahead. The more it is uniquely yours, the better. All right, but I'm just going to cover the fundamentals of what that structure looks like. So let's go to canva.com and you will search for postcards. The reason why we're searching for postcards, because that's really how small it should be. You can search for flyers if you want, but postcards are just a really good, like, these are postcards that you can actually mail. So once you build your castability bookability sheet, you can send it off to print through Canva and it will send it to you. And the price is very cost effective, so that's great as well. I'm always worrying about staying within the budget, right? So I want to make sure that not only are you getting paid, but you're also saving money wherever you can. Now let's scroll down to the postcard templates. So there's a lot that you can choose from. Obviously, none of these are geared toward actors yet. However, like, let's say this is someone where you love this template. You're like, I'm going to use this one. Again, I'm going to show you, I've created a blank postcard. You can probably go ahead and click on the link in this module and just go and access that template yourself. You'll just click on copy. Hopefully you have a Canva account, but if you don't, you'll just sign in or register, and then you'll be able to copy that template and then enter it in your own photos. But I wanted to show you the different templates that you have that you can build as a postcard yourself. So let's say you have a photo, you just want to use one headshot of yours. This is your main headshot. This is your favorite template. You can then go ahead and actually edit. So this is one of the templates that I liked. So this is great if you have like two headshots that you really are in love. One shows villain maybe, and the other one shows a sweet, nice, gentle character role. Boom. This is a perfect template for that. Maybe the colors are too simple. You can change that up, change your name, add your contact information, and then at the back, you can change up the contact information to make it truly yours. Okay, let's go to the next template that you can use. Here's another template that I really liked and I actually began editing. So here, if you have 4 different headshots, right, they all invoke different emotions. Perfect, right? Like this would be the perfect template for you. And then on the second page, you can add your main headshot here. You'll add your name, your phone number, your website. And so to add the photo, you will just double click. You can delete this or click on uploads. And so I have a few of my students in here. I'll use my headshot and boom, you can just drag and drop, double click. So if you wanted to change it up a little bit, boom. If you wanted to resize it, make it zooming in more, kind of center it in, there you go. this kind of looks weird. Yeah, there you go, right? So now it looks legit, looks professional. So if we wanted to add more photos, right, we would go back to upload and then add a few more. Obviously, this is not the best. Let's see. All right, so it appears that I have lied to you guys. I apologize. So it actually looks like that these lines were added there on purpose. So it appears to me that you can actually only use 2 different photos, not 4, as I have thought in the previous example. So let's see, let's use this. There you go. So if you have 2 photos and you kind of love this style, you can go ahead and use that. It's also on the main page of the postcards, and here is this template. So if you really like how it looks, you're like, I actually like that crisscross, then just use one of these templates that I was just messing with, and then you would just add your stage name here, and voila, pretty much obviously you're going to use your photos and not just random people's photos, right? I hope. So let's move on. All right, so now that you're done building your bookability sheet, you're going to either download this and you can send it off and print it out your own. I've included all the links to different websites, different resources where you could print this off. You can do FedEx printing, Walgreens, there's Avery.com where you buy your own template and you can upload it into their template and have it printed. Or you can even use Vistaprint is another one, or you can use Canva as well. And I've actually realized that Canva is far more cost efficient. So and again, I'm not sure if these prices are because I am a premium, but look into it. Again, shop around. These kind of make sense. The prices are very reasonable for what I can see if you wanted to print them. And so you'll select what kind of print options you want, smaller, I would say larger. You definitely want a little bit bigger, double-sided, obviously, because this is a postcard. And so then you can just write a little note right to the casting director. So definitely leave a little bit of a stage there, a space, excuse me. Yes, we're taking the stage, but leave a little bit of space. Maybe you can even, instead of adding your name and your phone number and website here, you can add a little note, or even leave this empty and move your contact information on this page and add a little bit of a space here so you can add a little personable note when you submit and send this postcard. So I want to show you guys a bookability sheet that I've done for one of my students. Well, we've kind of worked on it together. He has used a few photos, 5 photos in his bookability sheet. So this is something that, again, we utilized Canva for this. We used the gray background. We used 5 different of his photos that invoke emotion, right? We have his name on top. We showed his contact information at the bottom. And we also included what kind of characters he plays, right? So he has fearless, generous, charismatic, down to earth. And in the middle, his main headshot, we didn't include anything because we kind of felt like it spoke for itself, right? So use your best judgment as you build your bookability sheet. But if, again, you need help, I am more than happy to help and guide you to make your bookability sheet stand out. I've also, like I said, included this template. So I'm going to include one more where it looks similar to Arturo's. But here's a template for you to use for 3 headshots. So obviously this one will be the main one, right? The attention grabber, so to say. And then these 2 will be your perhaps supporting type of roles, or the quieter types of roles. But this one right here, the middle one, it's definitely the one that has to capture the casting director's attention. Everything else on this side will kind of complement the superhero who's in the middle, which is obviously you, right? And just to give you guys an overview, of how to edit this, again, just double click, right? So you can double click and just delete if you want. You can drag and roll. Boom. You can move things around if you wanted to, right? So let's do it again. Double click. We can move that. Again, we're not going to be using the fake photos. We're using your headshots, okay? And then with your name, so if you wanted something more personable, more have more finesse, as you will, you can change up the font. And really build it up to be yours. You can do the same with the background. Sorry, I was blanking on the name. By just clicking on the background, geez again, and then turning it, right? Here you go. So you can always change the color as well. We're just going to leave it as that. If you wanted to add borders or anything like that, you'll just click on Edit Image. And you can do a lot with it. You can add shadows if you want, filters. I wouldn't mess with filters because we want to make sure we stick to your headshot editing that you've received, okay? So frames, if you wanted to add frames, again, don't go crazy. Less is more. So keep it classy. That's the best way to stand out. Okay, that's all for now. Let me know if you have any questions. Oh, and I forgot. Forgot to say one more last thing. So here's another postcard that I created. This is with 5 photos, right? So again, obviously you're not going to use the flowers. You're just going to drag your headshots in there. So if you have 5 favorite, different, enticing, unique headshots, and the main headshot goes here, obviously, so you can even enlarge it even more. So just go ahead and do that. So play around with it. You're not going to break it, but we definitely don't want it to be too busy. So less is more. So think about that. I would stick to 3 if you can. If you have top 2, go for that as well. So less is more. We just want to make sure that the casting director knows who you are. They can put a face to the name. That's really what this bookability sheet is all about. Putting the name to the face and the face to the name. And that's it. All right, reach out if you have any questions.